Hello and welcome back to my channel. I've not got this camera right. Here we go. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And if you're new here today and you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I'd be more than happy with that. So in today's video, what I thought I'd do was revisit, whoa, this is the cat. You coming to say hello? No. I'm going to be doing a video on arrow smocking. Now I've done this once before, but this time I think it's important to just explore and push an idea. So with this one today, I'm using some red sort of leather type fabric, which I've got, and I really want to try it out. I think it's quite a structured design and I think it's going to hold really well with the leather. So, and I think it's quite Christmassy too. Come here. All right then, shall we get into, come on, everyone wants to see you. All right, so that's Layla. You chilling out under the tree? Whoop. Are you chilling? You trying to play a game? Are you making this hard work for me? You're not giving me anything to tap your toe. Yeah, let's tap your toe. Yeah, let's tap your toe. Oh! This is the fabric. Hey! Tickle tickle. Tickle tickle tickle. Tickle. This is the fabric and yeah, I'm really excited to see how it's going to come out. I'm going to work on the wrong side of it. I've already put my 1-inch grid down. And I've drawn out the design in pencil as I felt that went on the best. It doesn't show through, which is most important. And I'm using upholstery thread and I'm going to head down here. How many have I done?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 designs down and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6 across. Okie dokie, let's go. So I have put a knot at the other end of my upholstery thread and I've brought my needle up on the wrong side of the fabric. I'm going down to the point of the arrow, just a tiny little stitch, just a little bit like so. And then I'm going to pull up here and then I'm going to pull the whole shebang. This is where you need tough thread because we don't want it to snap. Then I'm going to put a stitch through there and again. Hey! Anyone else's cat do this? She's already had a treat. How's that looking? That's it. Should I go through once more? Just to be sure. Yep. And I'm jumping down to the next row, put my knot in, tiny little stitch at the bottom. And up here, can pull that nice and tight. And I'm going to use a bit of a thimble there just to push it through. There we go. So when you've finished and you've put a knot in, paranoid of putting another one in. There we go. I'm going to go back down here small stitch. Leave a little bit of slack there. Pull it through and over we go. Gonna pull that tight. Push the needle through. Tie a knot, and hopefully you understand all of that, and then we're just going to move down the rest of the row. So over here, nip a tiny little stitch, bit of slack, let's go through again. And then we carry on. Okay, so that's one row done. That is coming on a treat. Second row. Back up to the top and repeat the process. So I got this material from Hobbycraft, if you're wondering, and if you're not from the UK, this is quite a decent big shop which has kind of loads of art materials and things. In fact, I've done a video, a Christmas shopping video this time last year, shopping in there, although I didn't buy very much. Yeah, upstairs in Stockport Hobbycraft, they've got some really good materials, and this one took my fancy. I was thinking, oh, that would be good for a Christmas video. I also wanted to try out and see a more structured, thicker fabric, how intense the pattern comes out as well. Still keeping the arrow smocking fairly small, which is fine to use a thimble, I'm finding. So yeah, I just really want to see how this is going to come out. Sorry if you can hear the washing machine in the background. It's all going on here. Jingle jingles, come back. What's up now? Currently, she loves sleeping under the Christmas tree. Don't you? You've got a cat flap to go outside, Layla. You don't need me. You don't need me. No. Oh. You have a stroke. Call me. Call me. Oh. She's gonna like that thimble. Knew it. Knew it. She loves hiding stuff, do you? You love putting stuff like peekaboo. It's gone. It's gone. Where's it gone? Oh. Where is it? Oh, where's it gone? Where's it gone? Ta-da! Finished. That's how it's looking. It's really, really cool. I absolutely love that. I might have to get some different colours, that fabric. That is divine. Whoa. Really, really structured. How lovely is that? Hi! Oh! Hiya! Come here. Oh! Want a cuddle? I want a cuddle. You're the best thing ever. Yeah. Right, so there's how it looks. You've seen that one, recent wave smocking I did, a large version. So I've just put that as a kind of skirt. And then this one just on here. But you could see that as a kind of thick bodice or a top or something. I mean, you could even have it that way too, around there. Yum-y. Oh, across there. So I hope you enjoyed this video today with me and Layla. If you did, please give me a like, it really does help. And also if you're new today and you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more free content weekly, please hit that subscribe button. And I'd love to see you next week. All right then, have a great week. It is Christmas and I shall see you soon.